Hey Leia users, we are going to pick up where we left off on Leia's Toolbox. So in the mobile editor, we're going to click on the Toolbox icon in the bottom right. We're going to open that up and you can check out the other tutorial in the top sections, and we're going to start at order sections right here. This is going to allow you to remove any sections you don't like by unchecking them, and then down here you can shuffle them around, and if you want to reorder them, you can just grab them and drag them and drop them wherever you want them. And then down there you're going to apply the changes. So we're going to back out of there. Click on the toolbox again. Beneath order sections, we've got our newsletter feature. So I actually have one enabled right now. So let's disable it first. So now it's not there. So what we're going to do is we'll click on newsletter again. Now she's going to ask us if we want to enable our newsletter. So we're going to say yes, enable my newsletter. And by default, it shows up after you have a customer on your website. If they've been on your site for 20 seconds, the newsletter will pop up and ask them to enter their information. Again, you can, like she says there, you can change that in the section. And just like any other section, you can go navigate through the designs to find something you like more, and you can click on any of the elements to edit any of the content. There's a button there if you want to edit. You got some social media icons. You can edit all that stuff. And in the top center where there's a little envelope, you can click that. And what that does is this is the email address I have connected to my account. So if I want to change the email address to where those contact submissions go to, this is where I can do that. So if you have a different email address you want those newsletter email addresses to go to, you can do that here. And then again, if you want to change the length of time it takes, right now it's set to 20 seconds. You can do it for 10 seconds or 30 seconds, and then you can update that as well. So we'll go ahead and exit out of there. So we're just going to close our newsletter and get back into the toolbox. And then underneath newsletter, we've got our live chat feature, which we've teamed up with Vybe Chat, and it's free. All you need to go is check out the website. We have another tutorial on how to do this. You can check that out for more details. Again, it's very simple. Go to their site, make an account, get a little script tag, punch it in there, and then you can apply chat, and then you've got a nice little newsletter feature. That's it for now. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos on how to do all sorts of other stuff. And if you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to customer service at heyleia.com/contact.